Welcome everyone to today's video. Today I am wanting to change things up a little bit, and you know how sometimes you just want to play around with different look and maybe just, I don't know, just try a different look when you want to go out, and keeping it sort of bare and minimal, but you do still want to make a little bit of an impact, or maybe have someone wonder, there's something different about you, and it may or may not be very obvious. It's just subtle, and sometimes you just want to have a bit of fun with the way you look. So today's video is all about trying different colored contact lenses, and this is for anyone who's been keen to try colored contact lenses and wants to know maybe what brand they might want to try. I actually haven't tried this brand as yet. It's going to be my first time unboxing and trying a brand new colored contact lens. I was very privileged to actually have Haniix reach out to me and say, would you like to try these colored contact lenses? And I said, well, why, of course I would. So these are the ones. So here they are. Haniix. H-A-N-I-X. They are a colored contact lens brand, prescription as well. So you can get prescription and non-prescription. I will also leave a 20% discount code somewhere in the video, even in the description of the video as well. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in here. Who doesn't like a discount, right? So this is the box, and I haven't opened it yet. There's a thank you card in here by Haniix. Thank you so much. Haniix_official. But anyway, I will again leave the description of Haniix in below. So it comes packaged like this, and I did get to choose 3 different contact lens colors. So yeah, I can't even remember what I chose, but let's go ahead and get them open. Oh, I don't know what I think I've dropped the applicator, so I'll just pick up the applicator. Okay. Yes, I don't use these. Maybe just to sort of, you know, put things in and out of the contact lens case. It's useful. But they've given me a little Haniix makeup sponge. That is so freaking adorable. Oh my goodness, guys. This is too cute. Okay, thank you. I don't know what I might use that for, but I guess pressing powder. I don't know, setting under the eyes with some powder. So these are the 3 that I've ordered. And I guess I'm just going to do the middle one. Let's see what color this is. So again, guys, you know, I actually am very short-sighted, very short-sighted. I wear contact lenses on a daily basis, pretty much Monday to Friday, with reading glasses on top if I'm, you know, doing work on the computer. These are just purely just for viewing. However, everything, like I said, everything's just, if I was to read this, it's just way too close. So I do need to take my glasses off and read what this color is. So this one here is Paula Green. Paula Green. They come in, prescription is in each case. So I'm pretty much -4.25 in my right eye and -4.50 in the left eye. I'm going to just probably not do this in the camera because I don't want to spill it, but it comes in like a protective case, all hygienic. I'm going to apply it directly from the case, and then also when I'm done, I'll put it in the protective contact lens case, which is labeled right and left. I am going to quickly wash my hands because it's really important to have your hands cleansed and lint free. So normally when I wash my hands, I'll wash them and then I'll just dry them off with a tissue. I find sometimes with a towel, there's sometimes lint and fluff on my fingers. So I'll be right back after I cleanse my fingers. This is Paula Green, and let's put that in the left eye. That's in. Paula Green, guys. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, like if that is not a gorgeous color, I mean, let's just bring in closer just to have a look at the Paula Green up close. Paula Green. And wow, and this is my natural colored eye, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and put the other contact lens in my eye just so we can see how it looks for viewing purposes, like, because they are prescription. So okay, let's pop the other one in. So they're both in, and when I look around, pretty much everything is ultra clear. There is a slight tiny bit of cloudiness, like I'm not sure what the cloudiness is actually from. I mean, I suppose if you're wearing contact lenses that are probably not 100% like, maybe it's just it's a little, I don't know, it's slightly a bit cloudy, but it's not sort of like in a bad way. So this is Paula Green. Just want to look at them myself. I mean, looking into the mirror, I'm just seeing, do they look, I mean, I love the color. I mean, the color of these contact lenses is absolutely just, I mean, Paula Green is beautiful. What do you think, guys? Okay. I do love this color. All right. I'm going to try on the next one. I'm going to take this one off and pluck the next color out. Super easy to take out. I'm going to make sure I put it in the right one. We're going to be trying on the next color, Margarita Blue Gray. Margarita Blue Gray. This is Margarita Blue Gray. This is Margarita Blue Gray. Now, what I've noticed right off the bat there is it's quite a big iris compared to my normal iris size. It's not a bad look, but it's something that I'm not actually quite used to. I mean, a lot of people sometimes don't mind having a color of the iris bigger than their normal one, but I actually prefer to have the iris the same size as my natural iris. These ones I'm finding a little bit too big. The color is gorgeous though. I mean, let's put the other one on. Okay. I don't know. I think this is probably not my lens that I would use. They're a little bit uncomfortable actually on my eyes there. I think they're just a bit too maybe big for my cornea because they're moving around. So already I'm feeling like this is probably not the right fit. Yeah, no, I got to take these ones out. So but anyway, close up just to have a look. I'm finding that they are a little bit too big and moving around a lot on my cornea, so we'll take those ones out. Actually the right one felt a little bit more bigger than the left one, but just to see the color, I'll zoom you guys in again. Just yeah, it's made me a little bit teary because of the fact that it is a bigger contact lens. So I'll just take that one out and let's go ahead and try the third contact lens. Okay guys, so this is the third one in the color Adeline Blue or Adeline Blue. It's looking like in the in the case. So I'm hoping these ones are a better fit, because the other ones they were just, no, they were too big. And it's just, I think maybe if you had maybe a bigger eye, I'm not sure if that's what would be the reason why they felt quite big on my eye. But anyway, okay, here we go. What do we think of these ones? 20 times better than the middle one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on the left coloured one, the left eye. So we'll just do a zoom up comparison of what that looks. Adaline blue, my natural eye colour. Okay, and these do feel more comfortable than the other ones as well. The ones that we just tried on before, the margarita grey blue. Making sure that it's the right way up. You know what? These ones actually are not cloudy at all. So the first ones felt a little bit cloudy, but they felt comfortable. These are not cloudy. They feel comfortable like the very first ones, like the green. What do you guys think? They're very blue. They're very blue. Do they suit me though? Zoom you guys in. I like them. I mean, if I was just casually walking up to the shops, you know, I think definitely people would, you know, they'd know that they weren't real. Obviously, they'd be like, oh, you know, you're wearing coloured contact lenses. But in terms of the naturalness, they do fit the cornea or the iris better. I still feel like the first ones were a little bit more natural looking and complimentary to me, and that's probably because I naturally do have green eyes. But these blue ones, I'm actually kind of digging them. I'm kind of digging them in the fact that they're different, and I mean, I actually don't mind these. Okay. Haniix. They're nice. I like those a lot. Guys, what are your thoughts? Please leave them in the comments below. I would really love to know what you think. Please be honest. I would really love to know what you think. Do you guys wear coloured contact lenses? Do you experiment with them? These actually feel quite comfortable, and I'm going to be probably leaving these on all day just because. I would like to share with you what I'm wearing on my face today. I have Estee Lauder Stay in Place foundation as my base, mixed in with the Auric Glow Lust Luminizer. So these two are mixed together. I pressed that in with a damp beauty sponge. I also applied Hourglass bronzer. This one's the Ambient Bronzing Light Powder, just as bronzer. I have the waterproof, it's actually not waterproof, it's just water resistant Mecca Max Wink Ink Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I have Charlotte Tilbury setting spray locked in. I also have the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Dutch on my eyebrows with Burp Bees lip colour in Fig, and the Essence 8 Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner in the shade The Perfect Shade. So that's on my face today in regards to makeup. Guys, these contact lenses are even feeling more comfortable now. But I just want to know, like, I'm not used to seeing myself with blue eyes, and you know, it's just crazy. I mean, they do have like a hint of a natural brown in the center, if you can see that. But sometimes I feel like, do contact lenses make you look angry? I don't know. I'm just not used to it. These, again, are a little bit tiny bit bigger than my natural iris. Anyway, I am gonna go show my mum and see what she thinks. But I'm super excited. Guys, check out Haniix. I'll leave all the colours that I've used in my eyes in the description box below as well. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you to Haniix again for sending me over these goodies. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. Consider sharing this video with someone who you think might get some use out of it. And yeah, just have a lovely long weekend, guys. It's a long weekend here in Australia today. It's actually Good Friday today. So be safe and be well. Love you all. Bye for now.